Begin this culinary journey by whisking together 4 large eggs with a pinch of salt and black pepper until they're well beaten. Take a skillet, place it over medium heat, and melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once it's sizzling, add thinly sliced green onions and sauté them for a minute or 2 until they're softened. Next, pour in the beaten eggs and scramble them until they're cooked through. Once done, set them aside and prepare for the assembly of the burrito. Lay out a large flour tortilla, then sprinkle half of the shredded mozzarella cheese over it. Spoon half of the scrambled eggs onto the cheese-covered tortilla. Follow this with a generous sprinkle of bacon crumbles, a handful of fresh spinach leaves, some diced tomato, and a slice of cheese. Fold the sides of the tortilla over the filling and roll it up tightly to form a burrito. Repeat the process with the remaining tortilla and ingredients. Next, melt the remaining tablespoon of unsalted butter in a clean skillet over medium heat. Place the assembled burritos seam side down in the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, remove the burritos from the skillet and let them cool slightly before serving. Now, you're ready to taste the ultimate breakfast burrito delight. Don't forget to share your breakfast burrito results in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Every click counts.